Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sudama, and today we're breaking down the top 15 Linux commands you absolutely need to know. Whether you're a beginner or someone who want to get more control with the terminal, these commands will help you navigate, managing files, control processes, and really understand how Linux works. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because top 15 is a command that most beginners don't use, but it can save you hours. Let's jump right in. So, this command tells you your current location in the Linux system, just like checking Google Maps per your position. So, I type pwd and hit enter, and you can see it's showing where I am. I'm right now home /take Sudama. Okay, that's it. If you type pwd, and it will show where you're currently in the file system. And next, we have ls command. ls is one of the most used commands. It shows what files are listed in the folder. So now, let me type ls and hit enter, and you can see these are the files. And if you type ls space -l and hit enter, the details will be there. This means every file within this folder with every single detail. Right now, if you type ls space -a and hit enter, it will show the hidden files. So that's it for ls commands. Now we'll move to the cd command. Cd means move between folders. So now we're gonna talk about cd. Cd is like double clicking in the folders in Windows, but using commands. Now suppose when I go to documents, cd space documents, and we're here into documents. So when I go back, type cd space ... and hit enter, again back. And now if you want to go to another folder, type cd space pictures and hit enter, we're into the pictures. Now if you want to go to home, type cd space tilt and hit enter, now we're into the home. That's it. Now we'll move to the next command. This command makes a new folder simple and useful. Now type mkdir space your folder name. That's it. Hit enter. It's done. Now type ls to check. Now here you can see take Sudama is created here. Now that's the folder. Now the mkdir command is over. And now we'll move to the next command, that is rm and rmdir. Be careful with rm space -rf. It deletes without asking. So, and if you wanna first delete something, then type rm space r space the file name. And that's it. It will delete. Never use rm-rf on system folders. Now we're gonna move to cp. cp means copy files. This is great for backups or duplicating files. Suppose if you want to copy something. Now you're gonna type cp space the file name and space the folder name and hit enter, and it's done. And then confirm, type in ls and hit enter, and you're gonna find it is done. Now then we'll move to mv, that is move or rename. So, in Linux, renaming is basically moving the file to the name folder with a new name. Suppose you want to rename or move. Now you're gonna type is mv and the file name with the extension and the folder. Cat is perfect for quick preview of a file. Now if you want to check any file, just type cat space file name followed by the extension and hit enter. Now it's done. You can check it. Now we're gonna talk about nano space vim. It means edit files. Now suppose we want to edit some file. And first of all, we just want to see the file by typing ls, and here is the file. Now type nano and the file name, and here it is, and hit enter. Now you can see we can edit the file. Now if you want to save, just press Ctrl+O, Ctrl Control plus O, and it's saved. And if you want to exit, press Control plus X. Control X. Now that's it. Now we're going to talk about touch. Create the empty file. This creates a blank file, often used for testing. Now you can type ls, and here it is. Files are there. Now we're going to type touch to create empty file. Take file.txt and hit enter. Now again we're going to type ls, and here you can see take files.txt is here. Now it's created. Now we're going to talk about administrator mode, that is sudo. Sudo gives you power, too much power sometimes. Use it only when it's required. Let's say we want to upgrade. Now we'll type sudo, there's the ultimate power, apt, then update, and now hit enter. Now you're gonna put a password and hit enter. Now you can see update is going on. Now it's completed. Now we're gonna move to the next step, package managers, that is apt, dnf, or pacman. This is how you install apps in Linux. No downloading the exe files, everything's managed from the terminal. Now if you want to install neophage, then you're gonna type sudo space apt space install space neophage, and that's it. Now we're gonna talk about top task manager for Linux. Now we're gonna type top and enter. Now you can see that shows what your system is doing in real time. Now if you want to quit, just press Q and it's quitted. Again, top, enter, and it's here. If you type Q and it's quit. That's it. Now we're gonna talk about disk usage. That is df space -h. This command tells you how much storage you used. The -h option means human readable, so you see gigabytes instead of raw numbers. So then type df space -h and hit enter. Now you can see these are the file system and the usage. That's it. It's pretty cool. Now, last but not the least, we'll talk about Storage Lake Pro. grep points text inside of files. It's incredibly powerful for logs, errors, and automation. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you have any question, please comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.